Hey guys, this is the watch list video for Thursday, June 3rd. If you look at the daily chart on the SPY, a really narrow range, closed about where it opened, which is not indicative of all of what a crazy day it was. I'm going to show you a few highlights from today that were just amazing calls. KOSS, I called this out over the mic. Let me scroll over to show you what it looked like. I called this out over the mic over 27 with the high of day above because AMC was running. But it's worth noting that Kevin P from chat, it was his idea. I saw it scroll by, and it's a testament to the teamwork in chat. I saw his post scroll by, which put this on my radar, and it's just how it goes every day. Somebody's always spotting something. So anyway, he posted it. I liked it. I jumped on the mic, said, hey, this one looks really good over 27 for the reasons Kevin P gave it. I mean, just for what it's worth, I left a car on the table because right back here is where it broke 27. Never revisited, by the way, and went to 43.92. That is a $16.92 move above Kevin P's idea with about a 50-cent stop, and really you were never underwater. That is such an amazing call. SKLZ, Matthew, early this morning, and I got to go to 2-minute candles to show you this. Very clean on the morning gap playlist, and just kind of a red to green, or as it goes red to green with the whole number above. Matthew just gave the 18 break idea, right? So you had sellers come in, and right above the opening 2-minute red candle, basically sellers fail. Plus it's a whole number inflection point. And from the 18 break, the damn thing never looked back either and went to 23. So there's a $5 a share move on probably worst case 40 cents. Unbelievable call by Matthew. And then Kevin P again gave the IHT idea when it looked like this, over 8. It topped out just below 8, was kind of flagging. That space was strong, and look what happened on the 8 break pretty quickly to 980. And that's just a few highlights, plenty of pullback plays as well. I don't know if you saw AMC today. Most of you probably did. I never did trade AMC, but it went from a low of 35.59 to a high of 72.62. That is in one day. It's crazy out there. And again, that just means there should be plenty to trade tomorrow. And before I get into the watch list for, what would say, Thursday, June 3rd, I'm going to bring this up real quick. There was a tweet. The top 10 home office setups. I've never heard of this website, but still I got to share this. Home office setups from April and May of 2021. And I made number 10. They got a shot of my office there. But the funny part is the first sentence. This setup by Great Stock Picks shows that home office is not limited to knowledge workers. I'm not sure what to do with that, but I'm not going to lie. It hurt a little bit. All right, anyway, what are we watching for Thursday? Skills SKLZ. Pretty strong day, pretty strong volume, and a pretty strong close, all things considered. Remember, I'm a day trader, so I'll be looking for some kind of red to green or some kind of follow-through setup. Quiet inside day on WPG, topped out right around 5, the whole number. I love this over 5 tomorrow. Just kind of an inside day breakout, if you will, or a third day play. So that one's on watch. Fubo, pretty strong volume, really strong close. That's FUBO. We're going to watch that for a continuation pattern. Cron, I like this setup a lot. Popped up here 3 sessions ago, hit 901, then a quiet inside day and topped out again today, right around that $9 area. All the pot stocks should be watched, by the way, but this one's certainly interesting. Root, R-O-O-T, had a pop 3 sessions ago, topped out at 1033, then today topped out at 1004. Certainly interesting over today's high, knowing that 1033 is not far away. It is listed on I've got a web page saved that it's basically a list of high short interest stocks, and that seems to be what they're running right now. By the way, I'm not sure if you saw Bed Bath & Beyond. It's so extended that I didn't put it on watch, but you better believe I have it on a chart. It just felt too extended to put it on the watch list for tomorrow, but it's going to be on a chart for the next week or two. Huge move there. Anyway, back to Root. So Root is on a list of high short interest stocks. I believe Bed Bath & Beyond, and a lot of these are on the list as well that ran today. So anyway, we're going to watch that one. CCIV, 2 green days in a row, so I feel like a little bit like I'm chasing, but this one also has pretty good short interest, and it was a strong day, so we're going to watch it. Beyond Meat had this big move, 2 red days, and I didn't even trade this today, and it's already made a huge move. But over today's high would be 151.37, and you look to the left and say 154.40 from 3 sessions ago. So you kind of have possible short squeeze scenario on that one. We'll see if we get an A+ setup in it. Rocket Mortgage, RKT, strong day. That's also in that group. Or you might want to call them meme stocks as well. So we're going to watch that one. Workhorse, finally getting some pretty good volume. WKHS and a strong close. And after hours, this closed at 13.39 though. So who knows what to think of it. I've never traded Workhorse well, so it's not one of my favorites, but it's probably a lot of shorts in that name as well. Ride tends to run with Workhorse, and that had a strong day. RIDE, couple more. Tilray, another pot stock, is curling up. And after hours, this thing went, I want to say almost to 21. It closed out at 20.25 though. So the whole pot stock space should be watched. And then lastly, BB, which is BlackBerry, had a big breakout today. I thought I had EX. Let me show you EXPR too. So that one, again, possible continuation play tomorrow. EXPR probably belongs on the list. I don't have it on the list, but a nice breakout and has some room. KOSS. I'm actually showing you stocks that aren't on the list now because they're all worth watching, and these are all on charts as well. Crazy move there too. I talked about that Kevin P call today. So anyway, it's a very interesting market. There's a lot of money to be made, and no matter how well you do on days like today or days like yesterday, no matter how well you do, you're going to end the day feeling like a schmuck, I promise you, because there's just, you're never going to eke everything out of every trade, and you're going to be trading this one, and then that one's going to run without you. When there's a lot of action, you can't help but feel like a schmuck. Just learn to laugh at yourself because you can't catch them all. Try to take the meat out of some of these trades and just do that on a daily basis, and you can make a pretty nice living. All right, anyway, I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.